Action.
Hi, my name is Kaylen.
Hi. Oh, sorry.
My name is Kaylen Morris, and this is my game, Catch the Falling Ball. So, when I started it, it was kind of difficult to get it to, to have like the levels, and then when you get to a new level, to have it speed up. And then the sprites were really confusing. But yeah, so then this is what I have. And I think if I had more time over the summer, I would add like different sprites, like every level the sprite changes to a different thing, so you're trying to catch a different thing, so it's not like as boring. And then like being able to keep track of your high score. Okay. So,
Catch the falling.
I don't know why it wanted to go away. Anyway. Guys, it's boring for the first part, I promise. It speeds up every 5 points.
Oh, it's like that one game.
Every 5 balls it speeds up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
And then you press R. And it goes back to the sprites.
All right.
Okay, well, Elena,
Okay.
you want to play my game?
Yep. You said you made it to level 4?
I made it to level 4, and then I couldn't get it. It also is like, it's, yeah, it's also
Do you
a
get
lot
to speed up your player
No,
too?
your
Oh.
player just stays the same. It's a lot of chance, just depending on if it spawns where you want it to or not.
Yeah, if you don't have to move very far. If you got to move all the way to the screen, you're probably done by level 4. You got this. Get that. Get that. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Ooh, that was nice.
Oh yeah, you're done by level 4.
Wow. Hey, you almost have level 5. Ah.
Hey. All right. Someone else want to play? That looks fun.
We're good.
Looks fun.
You know, we're done.
No one else? Oh, come on.
I would offer it.
Is there sound on this? Was there
No,
sound?
I didn't get the sound.
Ah, no sound.
I would say
Sorry.
one
Okay,
thing.
all right, let's applaud.
There wasn't really a good spot.
Applaud for the video.
Yeah, there also really wasn't a good